quickly, I just wanted to open this up on camera because it came in the mail. This is from Forever 21. I just got a couple pair of leggings and I really wanted to try them on really quick. I really hope that they fit because they're kind of expensive. I think I spent $45 for both of them, which isn't terrible. I mean, I've heard of worse, but for someone who's broke right now and didn't really have the money, it was expensive. But I got 2 pairs of leggings. I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you guys so you guys can see what they look like and see kind of like a little mini review on them, and I'll be right back. So, sorry about my dog. I tried to get him to move like 3 times and he won't, so. Anyway, these are the first pair. They fit really nice. I'm glad I got the size I did. These are a 2X. They do come pretty high, so if you like them like high-waisted, they come up and over my belly, so that's really good. Really like that. So far, I didn't notice anything about underwear popping through. I hate when my underwear pop through, but you can't really see them. But I really like them. On the sides, they have like these mesh, and you can kind of see my skin through them on both sides. I don't know if I'd ever like wear these to work or something, but they'd be nice to wear to the gym. And they have these like open slits on both sides. They come down your ankles. They're super cute. Alright, and so these are the second pair. I really like these. I like these better than the other ones, I think. What's nice about them, again, is that I don't see my underwear through them at all. These are a little bit different. These are kind of a shiny, like athletic pants. Macy! These are more of like a matte, like leggings. These are just more like athletic and they're shiny. These also have mesh on the sides, if you guys can see that, up by the thigh. And then it also comes down, where is it? So it's like right here. And that's on both sides. So it comes up and over the leg. And you guys can kind of see it in the back right here. But again, these come up pretty nice above the belly. Really cute. Alright guys, so to start off the whole day of cleaning, welcome to the start. To start the day off, we are taking everything out of my cabinets at the moment, and I'm just vacuuming out everything on the shelves from all the crumbs and everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this down with some antibacterial spray. It's the Method brand. I got it from Target. Right now I'm just applying some marble stick and peel like paper. Basically you just literally peel it from a piece of paper that it comes on and you stick it to whatever it sticks to, and that's it. You can cut it to shape it to where you want it to go. After I did that, I lined the cabinets with like just a shelf liner, and then I'm going to start putting stuff in containers. I just realized it makes it look a little bit more cleaner and just more put together rather than coming in the box that it's already in. So I just took some of the Cheez-Its and pretzels that I already had and threw that in a container. This little shelf, or all the shelves that I put together in here, are actually from the dollar store. I found one that I just like to have like a little bit of stuff on the bottom and a little bit of stuff on the top. Here I am just kind of rearranging back and forth on what I really want it to look like, but here's the finished look. It makes it look like you have nothing in your cupboards. Like, oh my gosh, this was stuffed in here. Now it looks like completely empty. So it's crazy what a little organizing can do and how much more you can fit in there now. The top shelf where the bread is, and the other shelf I actually got from the dollar store also. And yeah, it just looks really extremely nice. It looks really put together. But yeah, like I said, the dollar store. And I actually got another one of them and put them in a different cabinet and put my coffee mugs, so I had more storage for my coffee mugs, so worked out good. In this cabinet, I'm just going to go ahead and organize my Tupperware. I tend to just get lazy at a certain point and just start throwing them in there, which is not good at all. So once in a while I like to take my time and just remove everything from the cabinets and just set it on like my counter or something. And then I slowly start to put them back in, but I kind of put them in color coordinated. So like I have blue containers, green containers, there's like a couple black ones or white ones, and I just stuck them kind of like with its family, if that makes sense. But that is pretty much it for this cupboard. I just kind of put the smaller ones towards the front, or the most used ones towards the front, and all the bigger ones and stuff towards the back. So this is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. It just makes my heart happy to know that they're all like organized and with the matching lid, and like they're just ready to go to use. Just a lot more easier. And right now I'm just going to do a few dishes that I already had in the sink. Not very many, just I want to get them out of the way. I'm really weird. I like to hand wash my dishes and put them in the dishwasher and run it. I know that's bad and it's wasteful of water and whatnot, but I just feel like 10 times happier to know that they're like super clean. This is extremely sad, but this is actually the first time since we've moved into this house that I took these the shelving units out of my fridge and actually scrubbed them and cleaned them in the sink. I know that's bad, but I was like, you know what, this really needs done, and I thought, you know, let's just go ahead and do it. So I took a few shelves out and scrubbed them with soap and water, rinsed them off, dried them, and put them back. After putting them back, I did line them also like I did my cabinets. It just makes it seem a lot more clean. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do some laundry. My laundry is pretty much done, which is insane to say because laundry just never is done. But this is actually my last load. I am just switching stuff out of the dryer, and whatever is in the washer I'm going to throw into the dryer, and that's all that I had left, you guys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Alright, so I had a big project here in the living room. We had bought a love seat for his game room so I can sit in there while he plays his video games and whatnot and just kind of hang out, and it did not fit. So we just decided to throw it in the living room, so I kind of had to rearrange the living room and add in that love seat. So here I am just rearranging some furniture. I just vacuumed underneath some of the furniture as I moved it around, and I just kind of put stuff where I wanted it to go. Today is just a full day of cleaning. I'm cleaning the inside right now, and my baby Kicks is mowing the grass. It's just cleaning day. Just organizing and moving things around and sweating. I absolutely love our vacuum, by the way. This is actually from Walmart. It detaches in 3 sections. So like where my handle is, I can take that off and just use the handle like I did to vacuum out my cabinets. I can take off the bottom part and just use like the long stick to reach like high places, or I can just use it the way I'm using it right now as just kind of like a regular vacuum. I love it. It works super well, and it lights up, and it just girl, it just works good. Alright guys, so here's the final look. Let me back up and give you like an overall. So we got this love seat, this little tan one, and we're gonna put it in my boyfriend's game room so I can kind of just hang out while he's playing video games. I was just gonna like sleep on the couch or do homework or whatever, but it does not fit in there, so we just bought it for no reason. So instead of selling it or whatever, we decided to just throw it in the living room. I did some rearranging and cleaning, and I thought, you know, it looks pretty good. I like it. Right here, zoom out, but I think it looks pretty good. You guys will have to let me know what you guys think of it, but I just moved our other couch kind of off to the other side. It's hard because we have dogs and I never know like what to do with their kennel and stuff, so I hate it right there, but what do you do? Then I went ahead and also mopped my floors using my Swiffer little jet thingy. I love it. And then I went ahead and plugged in my diffuser and started diffusing some oils. This one here is from Pure One Imports. It is the pineapple basil. I don't know. Anyway, I love the scent of this. It's really citrusy and fruity smelling. I just topped off the water in here, added my oil, and went ahead and let it run. And that is everything in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed us cleaning, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!